Hello! In this presentation, we're going to solve more exercises on the power. The chairlift can carry many people up the mountain at the same time. If the chairlift in the figure above carries 120 people at one time, that's it within 10 minutes, each with mass of 60 kg, and they are lifted up 500 meters. What is its power consumption? Yes, the power is calculated from the equation, the energy or the work done divided by the time taken. Here, the energy is gravitational potential energy, which is calculated from the equation mass multiplied by the gravitational strength multiplied by the height. So, the mass here is 60 kg for each person. So it's 60 kg for each person, then the total mass is the number of peoples multiplied by the 60 kg, the mass of each individual. So it's 120 times 60 kilograms multiplied by the gravitational strength 10 and multiplied by the height lifted, which is 500 meters. Then the power is this energy divided by the time taken, which is 10 minutes, converted into seconds by multiplying it with 60. Then the equation becomes 120 multiplied by 60 kilograms multiplied by 10 multiplied by 500 meter divided by 10 times 60. The answer is 60,000 watt. Let's check it. This answer is correct. Let's move to the second question. The chairlift operates at its maximum capacity of 120 people for 8 hours each day. How much energy will it use up? As a hint, first solve the power equation in terms of the work, then work out how many seconds is in 8 hours. Well, we have calculated the power needed to carry 120 people at one time, and the answer is 60,000 watts. The energy needed in 8 hours is the power multiplied by the time. Then it's 60,000 watt multiplied by 8 hours, that is converted into seconds by multiplying it by 3,600. Then the equation is 60,000 watt multiplied by 8 hours multiplied by 3,600. The answer is 1.728 times 10 to power 9 joules. Let's convert it into kilojoules by dividing it by 10 to power 3. Then the answer is 1,728,000. Let's write it. Kilojoules. And let's check this answer. Great job!